Top of the morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Lake McConaughy. This is our annual extravaganza camping trip. I'm standing out near the Morning Glory at the dam. Kingsley Dam. It's called Morning Glory. That's called some kind of a control room. But here we are. I think this is going to be vlog number... You know what? I'm just going to start again. This is vlog 40. I'm Jordan Johnson. You're watching J3 TV. Check you on the flip. Oh yeah, there's the party rig right there. Oh, it's a little low. Keep it revved up. A little football action in the back there. Oh, oh man, here we are. This is the party.
The party.
Becky, any words for the party? Right on, Jason. You see that?
Hey, see how it works?
See,
Rock on, party hard.
Party hard. Jason's boat. Yours truly is backing it into this swampy area. But I'm going to continue this video first person view with the GoPro mounted to the belt. Alright. We are in the water. We're boating. Shut the truck off. La push, la pull, la push, la pull, la push and la pull. Here, I'll pull it as you pull that. That's not too bad. Well, she's floating.
If you see me now, drunk and staggering, just tell somebody make room for me. Right beside a girl that walking on anything that dress always swing is good vibes we sharing. They cannot remember who I am, but they don't care, cause we in the fed liming. Any stranger that we bounce upon from any land, see we socializing. They shouting that's my family, cause we link up and get done like me is family. my family. Don't care where you come from, all of we is family. You see that girl in the band, family. Stranger you wine on, family. The DJ right there, family. Spreading love in the air, family. And the name you call, family. Could be big or small, family. We lightning whole day, cause that's what's in a band. Where bam bam rolling and girl gyrating, don't care who know me. No way, inside of the fret we searching, cause nothing wrong with a little wine everywhere we roaming. They cannot remember who I am, but they don't care, cause we in the fed line, man. Oh, any stranger that we bounce upon from any land, see we socializing. That the shouting, that's my family, cause we don't care where you come from, all of we is family. You see that girl in the band, stranger you wine on, DJ right there, spreading love in the air.
The power. Oh, look at the power.
Cause that's my family. We gonna meet for the first time, still is family. Yes, yes, yes. And my records are nice like with my family. Cause the young to the old, we still is family. And anyway that you care, big up your family. They shouting, that's my family. Cause we link up and get done like we is family. That's my family. Don't care where you come from, all of we is family. This is the girl in the band, family. Stranger you wine on, family. The DJ right there, family. Spreading love in the air, family. Then the name you call, family. Could be big or small, family. We lightning whole day.
We're jeeping. Oops. No, I need the mirror in the shot.
Family. Stranger you
We're
wine
gonna
on,
document going up the corkscrew. Oh man. Well, we're gonna go right through it anyway.
Sandcastle.
That shouldn't be on the corkscrew. All right.
You guys go up it or down it?
We went both. Up it going up and then down it with the boat on the way back.
Oh no.
But it's a little more tore up than right? Second attempt?
Oh, second attempt.
You want to go back down there and get a run at it?
Yeah, you think we need a little run or?
I don't know. There you go. Close. I think you can get it with just a couple of attempts. We're gonna send El Hibiang this video. It's true form right here, El Hibiang. True form.
True form.
True form, Becky?
Hang a little more over the side?
Yeah, probably. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, that is conquering the corkscrew. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Hello! Some of the bitches in the Jeep. We're bringing on the party now, Becky.
Yeah, a little corkscrew action.
A little corkscrew action. Ben's here with the boat. There he is. Sport Nautic. Nice. All right, Ben's a professional here. You can put it in the first try.
Oh, we got a little trailer emerging?
Yep. I think you can get her from there.
It should come over there.
That sounds smooth.
And then just go easy with her. It should pull off. Give her some throttle.
There you go. There you go.
Don't be scared.
This ain't no scared man's place here.
Say hi, Vashti. Yeah.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Ooh, that was a fast zoom.